Hi, my name is Marco Del Porto. I am from Brazil. I love outdoor sports, especially water ones. I am a primary teacher, sailing coach, and also an explorer. For this project, my best student took part, my son, who is 5 years old. He really enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed too. Welcome. My project is called Exploring a Lake Area for Map Making and Environment Observation, which was an outdoor experience. The focus was on understanding human interventions and environment around a lake. We explored on a local scale. That was an amazing opportunity to go outside and experience the human and natural world co-living together. Before the outing, my student had a brief lesson to understand the place where the activity would happen and what he was going to observe. For that, I used my chosen National Geographic resource,
land, water, and animals on a map.
and Google Earth. My student could point out clearly what human interventions are. What can you see the human intervention here at this lake, this part of here?
The post, the pier, the ramp of the boat.
He understood that the changes have happened throughout time, developing his historical perspective. We also observed the environment around and took notes of which animals he could see and if they lived in the water or land, making a connection to the ecological perspective. Back in class, my student used the National Geographic resources in which he had to sort land and water animals in two different tasks, by coloring and by cutting and gluing. To close the lesson, he drew a map of the lake he saw, inspired by the Duck Lake as suggested in the resource. Connections to Learning Framework. My student was excited to point out his findings
Look at that bird, Daddy.
and to learn new facts by observing nature closely. He was also able to then sort the animals between land and water, and to differentiate what is man-made and natural. During our exploration, we found a rubbish bag and my student could point what was the problem of human impact on nature. What problems can you see here?
The problem is that destroy nature.
Is that good for animals, for nature, or bad?
Bad.
My lesson had a very positive impact on my student and me. The process was important for me to reflect and learn about the different resources National Geographic offers, and last but not least, to be able to adapt my chosen resource to my lesson. For my student, it was important given the fact he grasped the difference between a natural environment and one impacted by human interventions. He was also very curious to learn about land and water animals, and he verbalized the need for preservation, which were my main objectives.